Hello people, so this is my fourth video of the day, and people, since I've moved into this new office, it's still under construction. If you can see the background a bit, so I've spent the last 5 minutes wondering just which is the best position to sit in, where I look fair also, at the same time the background doesn't look too weird. But then I realized it's the content. People come to watch the content of my video. So if I spend too much time finding the right angle and all, I just may not be able to do the recording itself. So yeah, so please excuse the kind of background and the kind of yesterday evening I was eating a lot of junk food. uh, Sunday evenings I always feel low because basically my child is with me over the weekend, but during the weekday he's managed by my husband and mother-in-law. So it gets tough, every Sunday evening when I have to leave my kid. So that's what I when I feel low, I eat a lot of junk food, and then my face also resembles a nice chips packet next day.